Hey guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. My name is Lizzie. On this channel I make Ankara accessories tutorial like bags, shoes, sandals, earrings, slippers and lots more. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make Ankara bangle. Enjoy watching your video. So guys, I'll be making Ankara bangle. I'll be using African print fabric, empty plastic, evostic gum, blade, scissors. This is bridal satin doll face. So now on your plastic bottle, you use your blade to trim this upper part off, and this part too, you trim it off. So now I am done trimming it out. I will just go ahead and split the middle. So after slitting it, this is what it will look like. So we'll go ahead and wrap it. This is bridal satin. I will use gum. I will apply gum, then we'll be wrapping this bridal satin inside like this. So I'll be using gum, evostic gum. So when you are done applying your gum, you pick your bridal satin, fold it inside, wrap it. You can trim out your material now. So when you are done gumming the inside, you fold your excess out like this. So you just add a little bit gum on the edges of this plastic. So I am done adding my bridal satin. So we'll go ahead and add fabrics to the back. I will be adding gum here, and I'll add my fabric to wrap it up. So I am done adding my gum. I'll add my material now. So I am done wrapping with my fabric. So I want to fold in the edges, I will fold a little. I will apply my gum first. And then fold in a little. I am done folding the edges. I folded the both edges. Now we will be folding in like this. You still have to add gum. You still have to add gum to your material before you fold in. So I folded the first time, then I'm folding the second time. I'm folding. So I folded in for the second time. Now I'll fold this edge too, a little bit like this. You will add your gum and fold a bit, then fold in like this. So I am done folding the edge. So I will add gum again and folding for the second time. So I'm done applying gum. I will fold in now. This is the finished work of our Ankara bangle.